Hi, and welcome to another lesson in our SOLIDWORKS training tutorials. In this lesson, we'll continue our Assembly Features, Smart Fasteners and Smart Components series. So let's get into it. Okay, so when we open up the box assembly in the case study Smart Components folder, you're faced with this. So if I zoom into the little latch, so what we'll do first is pop in a couple of smart fasteners. And we'll add those in. And then we'll make a smart component. So we make a smart component, you get to select the little latch and then the two components, which is two screws. And the features, it's going to be this little cutout so that when you bring it in, all those will come with it. So the two flat head screws and the little cut extrude will be done as well. So click OK on that. And while we're there, I'll just kind of open this, edit the part, and we can create a little mate reference as well. Help line that up when we do position it in, and you can see as I move through these little references, it capture down here. So I go through that. So if we take the fourth one down, that's the one we're looking for, the one that lines that up with the top face of the box. So select that one. That's the only one we really have any use for. This one, and then exit and save that. Save all that, and that's that. Now if I open up the next little test box, and there are a couple of named views in there, but honestly it's quicker just to rotate to the view, to be honest. So we're going to then insert our component. So insert our little latch and pop it on there. And it's gone back into the box, so I need to flip it, the mate alignment, and click OK. Right, so I can access it better and pop in a couple of more mates. So I'm going to pop in that. And the distance mate, I'm going to make it 0.375 of an inch. Click OK. And then we'll also do an advanced mate with mate. And because this is symmetrical, we can just pick this face and this face and this and this face, and have that centered on that face. Click OK and OK on that. My little doggy barking in the background. And then if I select that component then, and we can insert smart features. So we pop in the smart feature, and it's only really looking for this face, the reference face we give. So I'll select that face and click OK. That's my little clip in there. Okay. So I'm going to do the next little lock. It's going to save that. And we flip back over to the box assembly. And now we're going to do the same thing really to the little lock here. So again, if I pop in the little smart fasteners first, so I can get that better. So I'm going to add those two in, and we're going to make a smart component. component again. And in there, so we got the lock, and in there the components we want as well. So we want a few extra little bits in this. We want both those little screws. We want that key plate and the key as well. And the features then we need are this little cutout, this cutout, and this one. So we need those as well. So I'll click OK on that. And we might just edit this part as well, because we probably want to put in a little mate reference there as well. We take that top face, similar to what we did with the last one. So it's the third one down. So just take that top face and we'll add that little mate reference in as well, and save and close that. And now if we pop across back to our test box, just say yes to that. And we're going to insert a component again. So this time it's the lock. And click on that face. That's a reference face, so just flip that around. Click OK. And I need to get that side on the outside. Just going to pop a little mate in there. Make that parallel. And I'm going to flip the alignment for that. So I get that round the right direction for me. And I'm going to do the vertical alignment, so it's just I'm going to center it on that as well. So just, sorry. It's frozen me there for a second. So just go to my advanced mate and get a width mate. So again, if I just take the top and bottom edges of this, that'll do me. And any two faces that are kind of centered. And that's all. I'm just going to take those two for handiness. Click OK. And then we'll do another little width mate on this. And this face. And this face. Doesn't matter which order you do them in, just as long as you get them in the right areas. So click OK on that, and OK on that. So that's my lock, and I'm just going to select Insert Smart Features. I was just looking for the two edges that we said, so we need the top edge there and this edge here. And if you could go ahead and give this video a little like, that'd be great. And if you made it this far, then why not go a step further and hit the subscribe button. See you next time.